How to change the home screen grid layout for apps that appear on your home screen on the Moto G phone with Android 15. This is in Moto G34. Let's get started. The fastest way to this feature or settings is long pressing a blank area like this here on your home screen and go to where it says personalize, this option right here. Once you enter here, you're going to see all these different options and go down until you see layout right there. As you're here now, you can choose the grid layout options. Now, the higher the number is, the more space there will be. And if you just pay attention closely, you'll notice that as I select 5x7, the icons get smaller and more room for more apps. 3x4 makes them really big. You also have this here, 2x2. You have 4x4. And whichever one you decide to go with, just make sure you do press save so that it can go into effect. So then all your apps now will be set up in a grid view that are within the 4x7, if that's what you chose. All right, so like and sub.